Hi, I'm Leah with the Perfect Paver Company, and today our team is volunteering at the Ohio Soldiers and Orphans Home in Xenia, Ohio, where we are restoring a memorial located on the property. We invite you to come along as we highlight our team's work, the history of the memorial and orphanage, and honor our fallen heroes.
Today we're here at the Ohio Veterans Children's Home to do some paver restorations for a beautiful patio and memorial they have set out here. We'll be replacing a lot of these brick pavers with donation bricks with engravings on them. So we'll be pulling out the regular pavers and putting the new engravings in. We'll also be hot water steam cleaning this, getting out all the old material in the joints, all the old sand, replacing it with polymeric sand, and then we'll be resealing it. So stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks like.
My name is Bill Chavon. I am I'm the president of the Home History Fund and one of the original founders of the Home History Fund. I founded it to restore the chapel and the cemetery here at the home.
And I'm Sam Peffer. I'm a 1980 graduate of the home. I came here in 1968 and stayed till I graduated, so my whole schooling was here at the home. I'm the vice president of the Home History Fund. I work with Bill. He asked me to do this with him, so I've been doing this with him for a few years now, and just following his vision. I just think the number one goal of the Home History Fund is to preserve the history of the home, and that's the monument out there is a big part of that. This is everyone that was in the home came to this chapel. Everyone that was in the home participated in Memorial Day, so they know that cemetery, and they know the history of Memorial Day for us. So, you know, I think preserving the history of the home and having that out there, it just kind of ties together.
The home was a place for veterans' children, formed in 1870. 13,500 children came to the home over its 125 years, and hundreds of very successful children were put out into Ohio and around the country.
The home was a great opportunity for me. You know, I had food on the table every day. I had, you know, great education, got the opportunity to go off to college and, you know, get a degree.
The cemetery, including the statue of a boy and girl on Memorial Day dress, surrounded by about 400 brick names with teachers, employees, and former students, which we think represents the home more than probably anything else. The Memorial Day service was our most poignant tradition.
The thing I always remember about being in the band is during Memorial Day, it was just a very slow march, and you know, the band would play Nearer My God to Thee, and all these kids are marching, the band is marching, and I had to play both the first taps and then the echo. And I always found that kind of hard. It was very emotional for me to play taps because it was just such an emotional day for us as students.
And that cemetery became very, very symbolic of the home. And so restoring it was an important part of history. When Scott was here, I told him what the problems were, what we were going to do, and we wanted to put in some more brick names. And he said, you know, it looks pretty standard. And so as we talked a little bit, and then as we were walking out, I said, you know, poor orphan boy here could stand a little nice break. And he said, well, plus veterans. And so when I called, I just said I wanted to know what was going on and if you had a price and a time to do the work. And she said, well, we just met yesterday on it, and I want to tell you we're going to do it for free. Well, I about fell off my chair. I had no idea that I would get it free, and I was extremely grateful. I mean, it's very helpful to us. This made a big difference. It made a tremendous difference, and I'm very grateful. I'm just very pleased that you guys have enough interest about the home to ask us to be here. I appreciate that a lot. I really do.